Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize Shopify themes for beginners. So let's get started. So now here we are on our Shopify store, and from here you want to click on the online store so that you would be prompted here into this web page. And from here, click on customize so that you can now customize your theme on your website right here. And from here, this is your website and everything here is customizable, and you can just navigate on the left side right here in the sections menu. This is where you can arrange or add blocks into your website. So as you can see right here, these are my blocks. So I can just reposition this if I want to, just like that. Or I could just add a new image right here or collection depending on the theme of your website. So you might be seeing different things right here, but this is basically how you can do it. Or you can even add a section right here. You can go for featured product if you'd want to, and then it would show up right here just like so. So that's how you do it. And then the next thing is that you can go for the theme settings. So this is where you can go for the font. So if you want to change the font right here of your theme, then this is where you can do it. You can go for the wish list, the cart right here, the image size, and so on. So this is where you can modify the settings. And then the next thing is the app embed. So from here, you can use apps to modify your store right here. And these are the apps that I am currently using. So you could just toggle them on if you would want to use them in your store. And then the next thing is that we're going to go back now. And then these are also very important functions here. So you can go for default right here. And then you can go for Philippines. And you can see here that it will now be converted into the Philippine version of your app. So if you have other languages, then you might be able to see it right here. And you can go for the homepage right here. So this is where you can search for the pages available on your Shopify store. So if you want to go and see your products in your store, you can just go to your products and then select the product right here. You can go for default product. And from here, you will be prompted to the products of your store and so on. So this is where you can navigate to your pages. And you can even go for your collection list. And then you will be able to see it all right here. So that's how you do it. So if ever that you would want to navigate or edit some pages right here in your store, this is where you can do it. And then the next thing is this one right here, the controls, where you can convert your site into the mobile version. This is how it would look like. Or you could go for full screen and it would look like this. And you can go back to the desktop version. So this is very important because most of the shoppers nowadays are using mobile phone. So it's very important that you know what your store looks like when it's converted into the mobile version. So now what we're gonna do next is that you can now use the right side right here. So for example, we're just gonna convert this back into desktop. So for example, you wanna edit this section right here in your page. So all you have to do is navigate here on the right side, and this is where you can bring the title in. So for example, sample title. So as you can see, I am able to get the title right here, or I can even add a description. So this would actually depend on the kind of section that you have right here. So for example, let's select a different section. For example, is this one. I will select this, and then as you can see right here, there is no option for the title one because in the section you cannot put a title. So it would actually depend on the specific section on what you would have on the options here on the right side. And yeah, those are pretty much the basics on how you can edit your store right here with your theme. And last but not the least is this option right here, which is the save button. This is very important that you click this button every time that you make a change right here on your store so that it would be applied on your website. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.